Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share NGL link on Facebook story. So first what you have to do is open the application, and once you open the application, here you can see the inbox tab. So here you'll get your reply that the people might have sent. So to send this NGL story on Facebook, first what you have to do is choose the template that you want, and once you choose your template, what you can do is you can copy this link, or you can just click on share button, and here you can see the option for share on Facebook. Go ahead and click on share on Facebook option. So once you do that, here you can see our story will be published on Facebook. So that's it. So now let's check it over here, and as you can see, this is now on our Facebook story. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to share NGL link on Facebook story. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.